Rebalancing a rotor blade in situ is easy with SikaForce 710 L30. To prepare the product, start by taking off the plastic retaining nut and then extract the green closing cap. Insert the cartridge into the dispenser, ensuring that it is properly engaged and aligned. Next, extrude until both components are fully dispensed to prevent air entrapment and ensure that the components are evenly leveled. Position the static mixer in place and secure it by tightening the plastic retaining nut. To ensure homogeneous mixing, extrude a minimum of one length of the mixer. Drill a hole in the balancing chamber such that it is compatible with the size of the mixer nozzle. Inject the product through the drill hole. It is recommended to begin slowly and increase the speed steadily. Let it cure according to the product datasheet, depending on the outside temperature. On completion, seal the hole using our surface filler from the SikaForce 800 series. Complete the rebalancing process by applying an overcoat.